Brats, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a review on some Nair wax strips. I actually just opened it up, so I don't know why I did that because I was trying to have like the full experience with you guys. But yeah, we're gonna be trying these out. I haven't used them. They're really cool looking, so I'm pretty excited because for those of you who know me, you know that I love being hairless everywhere. I hate hair on my body. But before we get into it, make sure that you guys are subscribing and also make sure that you are taking the proper steps to turn on your post notifications so you can hear and see every single time that I upload a video. And with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing me use these puppies and trying them out, then make sure that you stay tuned. I'm MSBRITBRAT 1986. Today we are going to be trying out these babies. So first and foremost, these are the Nair hair remover for legs and body. So legs and body, let me just say that one more time. These ones are for legs and body. That means not face. I know a lot of people get confused when they get things, different products like this, and they accidentally think that they can use them on their face as well. But no, these are for your legs and for your body. There are specific products out there for your face that are specific to it, so you don't hurt yourself, mess your skin up, burn yourself, have some sort of allergic reaction. These are the wax ready strips. It says that they are #1 hair removal brand, which is Nair, obviously, and they are the fastest, easiest wax strips ever. So it says no warming or rubbing required, which is something that really caught my attention because you don't even have to warm this wax up. And then it does say that results last up to 8 weeks. It removes short hair, which is good because I've purposely been trying to like grow my hair out on my legs so I can do this video with you guys. It's been killing me because I don't care if it's winter time. I hate hair on my body, but I wanted to be able to demonstrate these with you. So I have a little bit of hair on my legs, more down by my ankles. So we're gonna be trying these out on my legs and probably on my arms because I've never like done anything to my arms before. So I am a little hairy being when it comes to that. It doesn't have to be long, and it comes with 40 wax strips and 6 post wipes, which is nice. So just so you can rub yourself off after you get done, so you're not, you know, obviously burning or anything like that. It does say the instructions, but it's super easy. You just peel it slow, press and pull. It tells you how to do it for your underarms and your bikini area, which I'm obviously not going to be doing with you guys on this video. That's more for private. And obviously before you use any type of hair removal, you make sure that you always are doing like your patch tester first so you don't hurt yourself. Clearly I'm going to be doing the patch test with you guys because I'm not going to sit here and try to wax my entire leg. That probably would take forever, even though I'm short. I'm only 5'2", my legs aren't that long. But alright, these are the post waxing wipes, and these pretty much have like aloe vera and stuff on them. So any type of inflammation, redness, or anything like that, just wipe that down after you get done waxing. And this is what these strips look like. So this is so cool. Look at these. So they're pink wax on the inside, and what we're going to do is, it says you just peel that off and then stick it on. It sticks on both. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool because you're able to use these 1,000,001 times. It's got wax on both sides, so this would definitely last for. You could probably wax both legs with just one strip because it's got it on both sides. Okay, so I did wear shorts just so we would be able to do this quickly, but I am going to just put a wax strip on my leg, and I'm going to also tell you guys the pain. So I'm just peeling this down like this. I'm going to put this one down on my chair so I don't accidentally waste it. That would be horrible. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on down on my leg. Like I said, I have like the most hair down here because I've really been trying to keep this. Oh, it said you didn't have to rub, but yeah, I've been really trying to keep this, like, get them hairy so you guys will be able to see the full effect. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna pull it. Let's see how it goes. So I got it fully on there. I did not have to rub. I messed up, but yeah. So you just put it on. And then you're gonna peel it. So I'm gonna peel it on 3, you guys. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. That actually didn't hurt. I'm being very dramatic. Wow. That is crazy smooth. Oh my gosh. I don't know how well you guys can see this. You see that well? You see some of the hair particles? I'm going to actually try it on my arm so we can get a better effect. I'm going to take this one again. I'm just going to reuse the one I just used because it still has plenty of wax on it, so I don't want to waste. But let's do the arm instead because I feel like that will give us more results. My legs aren't that hairy, so I'm just going to set it down on there. It's not painful, and the smell's pleasant. Like, it has like a scented perfume smell. Like, it's not anything that stinks, you know? Like, you could just be on the go right after you get done doing this and not worry about stinking like Nair usually stinks. So, all right. 1, 2. Are you guys counting down with me? 1, 2, 3. That does not hurt whatsoever. You can see a little bit like of the dryness now from where it came from. But look at that, you guys. Look at that hair it picked up. You see? I know this is so nasty. I'm showing you guys my hair, but hey, full effect. Full review. This is real Brat 1986ness right here. These are cool. I like them a lot. Again, they smell good. They aren't painful. Love how you don't have to heat up the wax and worry about burning yourself and things like that. So yeah, I definitely think that you could tolerate being able to wax both legs, even your bikini area with this. Armpits, it's not that painful. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Go pick up the Nair wax strips. I'll make sure I link them below so you guys can get them. And yeah, happy waxing. Check out my social medias, and I will talk to you guys later. Mwah. Bye, Brats.